When I first made this workshop, this was my tool storage. Then this became my tool storage, but that quickly got out of control. So in this video, we need to do something about that. Welcome to the second video in this mini series where I'm going to be doing loads of improvements on my tiny workshop. In this video, I'm going to be reorganizing all of my tools and mounting as much as I can onto the walls to make better use of the space that I've got available. So my main hand tool storage I've got in here is these drawers that I made. Now these are great, but they quickly filled up as drawers always do. Got a little bit out of control, so what I'm going to do in this video is try and take as many of the tools out of here and get them mounted on the wall. I'm going to be using magnetic strips for a lot of the tools. I've got my screwdrivers and chisels on magnetic strips already, which can stay, but the strips holding the clamps and the saws can be used for better things. So I need to make some new storage for my clamps. For this, I'm just going to plane down a piece of pallet wood stretcher and then drill some holes to recess the screws in to attach it to the wall. I'm adding some adhesive as well to hopefully stop any potential movement. Then I can just screw it to the wall and clamp all of the clamps on. Really simple and completely free to make. The extra magnetic strips can now come off and I can mount the saws on the wall just using some screws. That leaves me with a lot more space for mounting all these tools on the wall. My hammer and breaker bar, which I use quite often, take up loads of drawer space and can just get mounted with a few screws, and I can easily grab them when needed. Next up, this pathetic little shelf needs to go, so I get that cleared and taken down and replaced with a much bigger shelf made from a piece of 18mm MDF that I had lying around. much more space for storing glues, wood finishes and other little bits like that. I decided to get a few of the longer magnetic strips and swap these with the ones I had holding my screwdrivers and chisels to give me a little bit more space for those. I keep all of my pencils and pens in this top drawer, but opening and shutting this during projects can sometimes be a little bit of a pain. So I got one of these cheap pen holders and I mounted that to the wall, so I always have a pen or a pencil in reach now. I used to use this little tray for all of my drill bits, but it was sometimes a nightmare trying to find the right size, rummaging through this little box. So I got myself a set of new HSS bits with a little case, and I made a tray for these to sit under the protruding part of the chimney boxing in. So I can now grab the case, get a drill bit, and then easily put it back. I still keep more specialty bits in this tray, like center finding bits and countersinks. All of my spanners are kept in this little bag, which I found randomly in the house, which it turns out was from an old pair of hair straighteners. Feel free to leave any bald jokes in the comments below. I recently saw this set of spanners on the AutoJack website and then stuck them on my Christmas list. These are far too nice to be hidden away in the drawer, so I'm putting these on another magnetic strip, and if I need any bigger spanners, I can just grab these from the drawer. Here's a little tape measure storage hack for you. You can actually store them on some blunt multi-tool bits, and then they easily just slide on using the belt hook. So there's two more things gone from that top drawer, and as you can see, I mounted a load more of these magnetic strips and mounted a lot of the hand tools that I had in that drawer onto here, so I can quickly and easily grab stuff, and it frees up a load of space in that drawer. I've also got two spare strips which can be used for various other new tools in future. The final thing I'm going to be doing is putting up a load of safety glasses holders, and that way I can have them dotted around the workshop next to the tools I need them for, and I can quickly and easily grab a pair. So that's most of the organisation done in here, and I've freed up a lot of space in these drawers, and that means no more jamming or rummaging around trying to find stuff. I've still got loads of upgrades to do in this workshop, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the future videos. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.